Hi everyone, my name is Sam. I am the owner of Comic Sam's Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Pride cup cozy. Now, this is made using Tapestry crochet, so if you are new to that skill, I do have a video. I just published an updated video on how to do tapestry crochet, and then I also have a video with tips for my tapestry crochet patterns specifically. So if you're new to doing tapestry crochet or new to doing my patterns, I would recommend checking those out. Now, I am making this using the rainbow flag, but because the colors only change at the end of the rounds, you can make the background color whatever you want. So if you wanted to do a different pride flag, feel free to do so. There are 12 rounds in total, so if you want to just like do it, so if you've got 4 color changes, then you would do it every 3 rounds instead of every 2 like I'm doing here. The written pattern for this is available for free on my blog, and you can also get it as a PDF at a low cost on my website and my Ravelry and my Etsy. The stitch instructions will be in the top right corner of the screen for the duration of the video. Here are the abbreviations that I will be using if you're not familiar with the common abbreviations. To make this cup cozy, you will need worsted weight yarn in whichever colors you choose. I'm doing a rainbow one, so it's rainbow, and then the text color, which for this one is going to be black. You can choose whichever colors that you want. I'm using Paintbox Yarns Cotton Aran. That's just my preferred cotton yarn for cup cozies. You also need a 3.5mm crochet hook, scissors, and stitch markers. We are going to start off by chaining 36. You could also do a foundation single crochet if you want. If you prefer to do it that way, that's fine. The gauge for this pattern is 3 rows of 16 single crochets is a 4 by 1 inch rectangle. If your gauge swatch doesn't come out at a 4 by 1 inch rectangle, you can change your hook size or the tightness of your crocheting. But keep in mind, this is a cup cozy and it does need some stretch, so you're going to want the stitches to be not loose, but also not very tight, because you're also having to deal with the carried color in the back, adding some tightness to your work. So definitely kind of err on the side of looseness here. Once you get to the end of the chain 36, you're going to want to insert your hook into that first chain, making sure you didn't twist the chain at all, and do a slip stitch and a chain 1. Every round here will be finished with a slip stitch and a chain 1 into the first single crochet of the round, and that does not count as a stitch. You will do your first single crochet of the next round into the same stitch that you did the slip stitch and the chain 1 in. cozy is done. You just need to weave in about 50 ends, and then you're good. And there you go. You have your finished cup cozy. Super cute. If you enjoyed this pattern, be sure to give the video a like. If you subscribe to my YouTube, I am quite sure I will publish more tutorials, both for stitches as well as patterns.